Okay, so for gluing these things in for your 7th grade Superstar notebook, I'm going to go through what goes on section 1. This should be your cover, and then the back should have name, your name goes here, and if found, please return to Miss Starling. In room G215. Okay, so for section 1, we have this pink decimals and fractions paper. You should have folded on the dotted lines. So I'm going to fold this little piece right here. This is for those of you who have not folded this yet, which most of my students have. And then I'm going to kind of tuck this in right here and finalize this crease like so. So it's made like a little envelope. And you're going to glue here and put that on the inside flap. This is if my paper had my 7th grade Superstar paper here. You're going to open it up to section 1. Little tiny bits of glue are going to do the job for us because we don't need it to be too much glue, which means too much water, and it'll be too oozy and we won't be able to write on certain things. So I'm going to put that right here really close to the edge. And I'm looking at the adding fractions part at the top. Focus a little bit. There we go. Then on the next part, I'm going to flip this open and kind of push down on it. And then I'm going to get my All About Integers paper. That's going to go right there. So flip it over. Little bits of glue all around the frame of the paper. And then glue that down right next to your decimals paper. Yes, I know this is upside down, but we could turn our books upside down and right side up if we need to. Last part for section 1 is this little square rectangle here. I have folded this top flap that says fold and glue top to the top of section 1. So I'm going to get my glue, put a little bit up here. And then I'm going to stick that right up top of here. So I've kind of made some windows and some flaps and some folds. Boom. Section 1. Section 2, you need your purple and blue papers. I'm sorry, blue goes on top, purple goes on the bottom. You have folded them so that this is the constant of proportionality. This is the purple one. Fold it in half. I know this says blue here, but this is wrong. Flip it up. We're going to glue it back here on this blank page or blank side. And then same thing for this one, solving any equations and inequalities. When you open it up, well, it should be right side up when you glue it in. So a little bit of glue here on this blank page or blank side. You also don't want a whole lot of glue there because you are going to be writing on it, and it would be very weird to have so many bubbles underneath it. So the solving equations and inequalities goes at the top, and then the constant of proportionality goes at the bottom. A little bit of glue around the frame. Whoops. Make sure it's right side up. Boom. Done. Alright. Now on to section 3. Did I not cut this open? Oh, I just didn't. No, this page is too big. Okay, so I need my similar figures examples, and I need my proportions examples. So you're going to take both of them and kind of flip them over and put them one inside the other, so that when you flip it over, the proportions examples are on the top. They are not related whatsoever, but this is just to condense this section, and we'll show our work for this question this question, this question, this question, and then we'll do the same thing for these 4 in here. And we can kind of show our work either around here or on separate paper once we get started and once this is glued down. And then we'll write our answers here, 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 and here. We can also show our work on this pink paper. So for proportions and examples, I'm just writing this down for future note. All of these are going to be solved with proportion boxes. So I'm just putting proportion boxes on each one. Boom, bam, boom. Look like giant plus sign. I also need proportion boxes for these as well. So proportion box, proportion box, proportion box, proportion box. Okay? So anyway, flip these back over. Now I have the shapes one and the proportion one. So I'm going to have them, like I said, one is inside the other. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this guy, and then I'm going to fold it over so that I finished and I've made kind of like one big fat flap. So a little bit of glue here, make sure it's not too much to ooze out and overlap and stick to the pages. Boom. Now I have like one foldable with 8 flaps. So then once I've stuck those together and they're adhered, I'm going to put glue all over this. This now goes right here on section 3. And again, it's close to the edge so that when I close this, I'm not folding over any of these flaps and pages. Okay? Now you need your 2 yellow strips, boom, bam, and you need the side that says budgets, tax, discounts, and markup to be on your left-hand side, and it's going to be upside down. And then you also need this side that has Tara Designs and Sales t-shirt upside down as well. You're going to take these 2 right here and you're going to glue them together. Now I would fold this dotted line here to make a better crease. I will fold it back. So when I flip it over, boom, I can still see Tara. So I'm going to glue there. Oh, I'm sorry. Fold this in half first. Like so. Back to my pie chart and my budgets, tax, and discount, and markup. Put this little folded side, just put it face down. Just like that. So, when I close this, I can see interest. Oh, I'm sorry, I fold this backwards. And then it makes like a little accordion style window. Make sure to fold this over too so that it's friendly. And boom, accordion. Close it up. Push down on it to reseal it so that when you open it up, you've got budgets, tax, discounts, markup, Justin, pie chart, Tara, and Sarah. Then when you flip it over, you have interest, simple interest, compound interest, comparing, and then glue to the bottom of section 4. So once I close it, it's like an accordion, and I'm going to glue this to the bottom of section 4. Where's my booklet? Here it goes. My bad. So right here, I'm going to glue to the bottom of section 4. Wham. Then you're going to do the same complicated thing for the peach. Now, if you get stuck on this, don't worry. I can help you do it during class. When you fold those during class or at home, you're going to have your probability right here, and you're going to fold it like this. So here's your probability paper, and then you have the other one that says tree and then glue to top of section 4. You're going to fold those like this. So right here is where I glued them together, and then I can make yet another accordion style thing, and whoops, this ripped, so that's why the tape is there. Glue to top of section 4. We'll finish sections 5 and 6 in class because there are a bunch of shapes that we need to glue down. But this will get you fairly far. If you would like to work ahead, I would greatly appreciate it, and it would be a good idea to do so if you glue down your area shapes, which let me find one that I've already done so I can show it to you. Oh, no, that's not it. 1 second. Here it is. So then your area shapes are right here: circle, square, rectangle, trapezoid, triangle, and parallelogram. Wherever you place them doesn't matter as long as you label this side area. This is section 5. And then over here we've got volume. I have my rectangular pyramid folded down, and then my triangular pyramid, my triangular prism, and my rectangular prism over here. I have them glued down on just one side so that I can actually fold them up to make them 3D figures. And then I have my lateral and total surface area. I glued these down for the most part because I really don't need them to be 3-dimensional because I already know what they look like up here as 3D shapes. So if you have time, go ahead and fold and glue those and label those tonight for homework, and you'll be ahead of the game. I'm sorry, you'll be on time, and everybody else will be behind because we really got to get in the nitty-gritty of solving these problems and refreshing our memories, especially on things like this. Have a great evening.